Get ready! Next exercise 30 seconds. Useful for hips, abs, shoulders, legs.
Go.
Lie on your stomach. Bend your elbows at a 90-degree angle. Keep your body weight on your elbows and feet transfer it to your fingers. Keep your legs straight with your elbows under your shoulders. Make sure it is. Keep your back straight. Alternately lift your legs up and to the side. Bring your knee up to your head each time. Try to do the movements evenly. Get ready. Next exercise 30 seconds. It is useful for hips, abs, shoulders. Lie on your stomach. Bend your elbows at a 90-degree angle. Transfer your body weight to your elbows and toes. Keep your legs straight. With your elbows under your shoulders, make sure it is. Transfer your body weight to your elbows and simultaneously lower your hips and thighs. Get ready! Next exercise 30 seconds. It is useful for legs, back, arms, abs. By doing this exercise, you use all the muscles, providing an excellent load for both the arm, abdominal, and leg muscles if fatigue occurs. You can lie down for a few seconds and relax completely. Lie on your stomach. Extend your arms forward and bring your legs together. Lift your chest. Arms and legs in one motion, your arm as if you were swimming. Possible to alternate your opposite leg. Lift as high as possible, keeping your arms and legs straight. Work. Get ready! Next exercise 30 seconds. It is useful for hips, legs, hips, lower back. This exercise is very beneficial for all leg muscles. It creates beautiful and correct shapes, burns excess fat, and increases stamina. Lie on your back, raise your legs up and bend your knees. Press your feet together, make circles in the air with your heels, first to one side, then to the other. Get ready! Next exercise 30 seconds. It is useful for shitters, hips, hips. Lie on your back. Bend your legs at the knees. Spread your feet shoulder width apart. Extend your arms along your body. Lift your hips off the ground in one motion, in the upper position. Your hips and torso are straight, crease aligned. Stay in the upper position for a few seconds. Get ready! Next exercise 30 seconds. It is useful for stretching legs, buttocks. This exercise allows you to relieve muscle tension accumulated in the back and waist and reduce pain. Try to maintain the rhythm while doing the exercise. Lie on your back. Pull your knees towards your chest and wrap your arms around your knees with rhythmic movements. Straighten one leg and simultaneously bend the other leg at the knee. Help yourself with your hands. Get ready! Next exercise 30 seconds. This exercise builds strength and endurance, and also helps tighten the waist and sides while doing the exercise. Try to make the movements soft and without sudden jolts. Lie on your back, clasp your hands behind your head. Bend your legs at the knees, lift your body up and bend your elbow ball towards your knee. Do not stay in a low position. A downward movement immediately turns into an upward movement. It is useful for hips, buttocks, ABS. Get ready! Next exercise 30 seconds. It is useful for abdominal muscles, posture, back muscles. Lie on your back, bend your legs at the knees and press your feet firmly together. Lock your hands behind your head. Bend your body and at the same time pull your knees towards you. Make sure your waist doesn't lift off the ground. Exercise will help strengthen the flat abdominal muscles. Relieve muscle tension in the back and waist area. The abdomen and waist will become tighter and slimmer. Get ready! Next exercise 30 seconds. It is useful for hips, buttocks, legs, ABS. Lie on your back. Straighten your legs and hold them tightly together. Press it. Keep your legs at a 90-degree angle to the floor. Remove. Reach forward with your toes as far as possible. Lift your shoulders off the ground and put your right leg around your calf or behind your thigh. Move your right leg with a smooth movement. Pull it towards you and lower your left leg tree to download. Try to stretch more each time. Switch sides. This exercise is very good for stretching the muscles of the back and front surface of the thigh. In addition, it creates an excellent load on the glutes and abdominal muscles. Congratulations! Subscribe is totally free. Do not forget to subscribe. Like and comment after watching. Your comments are important for the development of our channel.